Trim board, we're getting a nice look on it. We have some cold molding between the blocks. It's just finishing up right now.
A siding and carpentry work at John's house from Livingston. And John, basically, we want to say, what do you think about the job that we just completed?
Again, it's excellent work. This is the second time Bruce and his crew have worked here. They resided the whole house, and I was very pleased. And when I needed this extra work done, I decided to call Bruce firsthand, not even getting any other proposals.
Instead of putting a column on the bottom, we just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off.
Action. I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction Service? Great. And would you recommend them to family and friends?
You see, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install it.